The stretch is to get your latissimus dorsi. So for this one, we're going to have you come down so your arms are out straight in front of you, and we'll walk our hands over to one side. So I'm going to walk them over to the right side, and I'm going to put my right hand on top of my left to kind of pin my arm down, if you will, and I'm just going to relax my head and my arm into the stretch until you feel a good stretch right through here. If you want to intensify this stretch, you dip the left shoulder towards the floor and the right one up, and then you should feel that intensifying there. And sometimes if you're really tight, you can get it even a little bit lower. One thing I do want to note though is that if you get any pinching in this shoulder when you're doing this, it's usually because you're not relaxing, so you have to really relax the arm. So even if the elbow comes to the floor a little bit, that's okay. Another variation of how to get the latissimus dorsi is with the ball. For this one, your palm is facing up towards the ceiling and my hips are stacked over my knees, so I'm not forward or back. From here, I'm going to bring the ball towards my left arm a little bit, and again, I'm going to relax my upper body and my head, making sure I'm not getting that pinching in my shoulder. Hold 20 to 30 seconds, and this is how we get your lats.